We all are scared of one thing, and that is aging. We get so many treatments, so much, havoc is created that, oh, I'm getting old. Hi, I'm Bhavna, and welcome back to my channel, Women Gupshup. Let's see the food items which helps us in slowing down the aging process. First is tomatoes. Tomatoes are very, very good for your skin. You can have it in many forms. As Indians, it's always part of all our curries. It's very, very healthy, and tomato soup you can take, and also you can have tomato scrubs. Take a tomato and scrub your face. It works wonders. So it's easily available, it's everywhere around you, and it is the fantastic source of a good skin. Second one is almonds. If we are looking for weight loss, almonds is the best thing that can happen to us, because it has very less calories, around 14-15 calories and the best part is that it's non-fattening and very, very helpful in anti-aging process, because it has all the essential nutrients and you should make it a part of your daily life. Don't wait, that, oh, we forget, and we don't have time and all those things. It's simple. This simple almond, can work wonders. So please add it in your daily diet. Next source is also very easily available, and it is lentils. Lentils are very, very good source of protein. We all know it helps in weight loss, and it helps in giving us protein, because for vegetarians, protein, we have very less source of proteins. But lentils are also very helpful in anti-aging process. Try to have a bowl of dal every day, so you can have all the lentils. And next is turmeric. We all have seen that, turmeric is, whenever we talk about marriages and functions, we always have this turmeric paste ready. And so the reason behind this, that it has antioxidants, and it helps us in anti-aging. It would be great if you could just boil the turmeric, while boiling the milk. Just add a pinch of turmeric in your milk at night. You can have turmeric scrubs, you can have turmeric tea, which is very, very helpful. And I personally have seen, these results, and I was amazed by the results of turmeric. It has been part of our culture, from a long time. Now even in West they have started, turmeric tea and everything. So next is oatmeal. Oatmeal is again a wonderful source of anti-aging, and it has soluble fibers, and it helps you in the digestion. And as we have always seen that, if somebody has a good digestion, then definitely they have good skin and they have good hair, and anti-aging process starts. Don't have oats which we get in the market, packet ones. They are not they don't have those nutrients, because obviously they add preservatives. But oatmeal definitely helps. Cinnamon paste. Cinnamon paste is very, very good for your hair, especially. And cinnamon tea, we all know that, cinnamon is a wonderful agent for anti-aging, and you should definitely, because winters are coming now, so definitely you should have cinnamon tea. And you can have cinnamon paste for your hair. So include cinnamon also in your diet in some way. Last but not the least is again fruits and vegetables, green vegetables, spinach, and fruits like mango. Mango is a wonderful source of anti-aging. Right now we don't have the season for mango, but definitely in summers mango is the best source. Apart from that, you can have papaya, you can have orange, which has vitamin C. So all these seasonal fruits are very, very good for your anti-aging process, so you should definitely start that. Green tea is again, it has good antioxidants, and I don't consume green tea daily, because I feel that if I feel that tea is a tea. But yes, green tea is much better than normal tea which you have. Apart from these items, I would also like to share something. I always go for all the skin processes, facials and everything. I used to think that, I don't want that. I don't use chemicals on my face and all that. But then I realized later on I realized that these things are very, very important for the health and hygiene of the skin. It's not a show off, that you are spending money on your routine. Hygienes are very, very important for your anti-aging process. It definitely helps. So always try to get a routine skincare for your skin, and it will not harm you. It will keep your skin hygienic and fresh, and it will boost your anti-aging process. So these were the things I wanted to share with you, because I thought that, because I feel that if we make these items a part of our daily diet and lifestyle, then definitely aging is something which will stay very far from us, and we all want that, right? So also I wanted to share one thing, that ikigai, Japanese secret, and recently I studied about it in a book. It is ikigai. So you must have heard of that. I'll try to cover that also in my upcoming videos. I found it very, very interesting, and I'll definitely share that with you. So I hope you like my video. If you like it, please like it, share it, and please subscribe my channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon. Stay beautiful, stay healthy. Thank you.